Whether you're a serious PC gamer or a casual after-hours warrior, your hardware can be the pivot point between victory and defeat. To get the most out of the latest first-person shooter, sports, racing, and other fast-action games, you'll not only need a gaming PC with a powerful graphics card, but also a monitor that can render the action without subjecting you to blurred images, flicker, tearing, and other motion artifacts. The best monitors can upgrade your desk and enhance your entire computing experience. Whether you're building your ideal PC workspace or just need a nice big screen to plug your laptop into. In today's video, we will help you pick out the right monitor for you, ranging from small to extra large with resolutions from 1080p to 4K and features like frame syncing and adjustable stands. If you enjoy our content, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date about our latest uploads. Number 1. Acer XFA240. The Acer XFA240 demonstrates that excellent Full HD monitors don't need to cost a ton of money. For less than $200, this 1080p monitor delivers accurate colors and more extra features than you'd expect, including a full vertical mode that makes it invaluable as a second screen. The monitor works well for both gaming and productivity, with a 144Hz refresh rate and a variety of ports, including a DVI input for older machines. The XFA240 has a few drawbacks, which are normal enough in its price range. Its built-in speakers aren't worth using, its menus are confusing, and its construction feels a little cheap. Number 2. Apple Studio Display. The 27-inch Studio Display is a great 5K monitor, one that delivers a lot of the value of Apple's $5,000 Pro Display XDR in a much more affordable package. Like the Pro Display XDR, the Studio Display offers useful features for creative professionals, including a range of reference modes and P3 wide-color gamut support. But it also has unique features that any Mac user can enjoy, like a killer 6-speaker sound system and a 12MP ultra-wide camera that supports Apple's center stage feature, courtesy of an onboard A13 Bionic chip. With its ultra-wide camera, fantastic speaker setup, and gorgeous 27-inch 5K screen, this is easily one of the best monitors for MacBook Pro owners seeking an external display. Number 3. XG270 QC. The ViewSonic Elite XG270 QC is a large curved monitor with an extremely bright screen. While it will take up a lot of your desk space with its tasteful triangular base, the trade-off is well worth it. You get a vibrantly colored 27-inch 1440p screen with a refresh rate of 165Hz. For gamers with powerful GPUs, this means Quad HD gaming with the potential for more than 100 frames per second in each game. Aside from the XG270 QC's price and size, there's very little to recommend against. It has comprehensive menu options, plenty of ports, and a variety of handy presets for many different types of games and applications. Whether you need to play the latest games or enjoy a large library of streaming media, the XG270 QC's bright, bold, beautiful screen is the right tool for the job. Number 4. Acer PEO Series Pro Designer PE320QK. The Acer PEO Series Pro Designer PE320QK is a widescreen 4K monitor that's made for professionals who demand the best color and accuracy they can get for working with images, video, and graphics. One of the best monitors overall for serious work, the PE320QK comes calibrated from the factory, offering superb accuracy right out of the box, and comes with a matte display and built-in display hood that eliminates the glare and ambient light that might skew color perception. This excellent display is made with pros in mind, and also boasts a 100:1 contrast ratio, plus support for HDR10 and DCI-P3, along with AMD FreeSync. It checks all the right boxes for letting you do your best work, without the fuss of pro-grade displays that might require extensive calibration to dial in the color quality. Number 5. Alienware AW5520QF 55-inch OLED gaming monitor. The Alienware AW5520QF 55-inch OLED gaming monitor puts a killer OLED display into a TV-like size that's made for big-screen gaming. With a size that toes the line between TV and monitor, the 55-inch display has a highly polished design, a cornucopia of great features, and key gaming monitor features such as DisplayPort connectivity and fast 120Hz refresh rates. And while it's technically not a TV, it also comes with a slick remote control to adjust the picture settings and navigate menus from the comfort of your couch. But it's not just a TV-sized monitor. It's also a superb OLED gaming display. The Alienware boasts a huge color gamut and accuracy that rivals some of the best TVs on the market. And that covers today's video. Let us know in the comments which monitor is your favorite. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.